Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change contrast level on your Acer XB241H. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the second button right here and then go for the input. So it's right here, it's the second button. Now go for the fourth button and from here go for the second button. Now you can find the contrast right here, press the fourth button again and you'll be able to adjust its settings by pressing the second button to go more and the third button to go for the less. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.